In this video we are talking about if Solana continues his move to the upside or if we see a massive crash to the downside. As you can see, in the last days and weeks we saw this massive run to the upside from Solana. From the down to the top we saw a move about 40%. At the moment we are between this supply zone right here and this demand zone. We saw this explosive bearish move to the downside, and in this demand zone we saw this move to the upside and we saw higher lows and higher highs. And as we go deeper into the chart, you can see that we moved in the last few days rapidly to the upside. And as I said in the last video, I moved into a long position right here, and I said if we are breaking this orange resistance, that the chance is very high that we are moving to the upside. I will show you the clip now for context. And as I said, I went into a long position right with this daily close out of this demand zone. So I bought for $18.39. As I said, it's really important for me that we break this high right here to have a bullish order flow on the 4-hourly time frame. And if we are breaking to the upside, I will take some profits right in this area right here. As you can see, we had our supply zone right here, and here I will take some profits. And as you can see, after we broke this orange resistance with a full body close, the price moved rapidly to the upside. So if you moved into a long position, you made 20% profit. From my entry to the top, we saw 34%. So that are very big gains for this short-term trade. And as I said, if we come back into the supply zone, I will take some profits. But now the question is, can we continue our bullish move to the upside, or we will see a massive crash to the downside? So as you can see, this supply zone right here caused this explosive move to the downside. So now the chance is high that we are seeing a bearish correction to the downside. And it's very often, if we see this explosive moves, that if we are seeing a reaction right here, that the price can move directly to the downside as strong as the up move before. So I think the chance is high that we move to the downside and that we will see some support right in this area. Because from this area right here, we moved through this resistance and saw this explosive move. So the chance is high that we are seeing support right in this demand zone. But there's also the possibility that we blast through this last resistance right here and that we are seeing much higher prices for Solana. Because if we are breaking this resistance to the upside, I think that we will see much higher prices, that we maybe find resistance in this area or in this area in this supply zone. But for me, the bearish scenario is more likely that we are going to the downside, especially if Bitcoin is also going to the downside. So I would be very cautious with long positions right now. But if anything interesting is happening for Solana, I will make a video. So subscribe to this channel to don't miss the next update on Solana. So congrats to everybody who moved into a long position right here and took some profits right in this zone. So this was it for this video. Comment down below which altcoin do you want to see in the next videos. Thank you really much for watching and your support. I wish you great profits in trading and see you in the next one.